So today we're about to witness an epic battle between two well-known contenders in the digital world. These are Gumroad and Payhip. Are you ready for some packed comparisons? Grab your paper and a pencil because you're going to want to take notes on this thrilling matchup. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And to say thank you, here are some beautiful pictures from my tropical paradise in the Caribbean. All right, let's dive into the first round, which is purpose. In the blue corner, we have Gumroad, and in the red corner, we have Payhip. So these two platforms are a dream come true for digital product creators like us. So selling eBooks, software, music, newsletters, and more directly to our audience has never been easier. So let us see how they stack up against each other. So for this section, they both got 1 point. So moving on to the ease of use round. So Gumroad and Payhip show off their skills here, okay? So offering intuitive and straightforward user experiences. From setting up online stores to managing sales, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. But Gumroad's polished interface is much easier for a beginner to use. So Gumroad is a winner in this section. Okay guys, so get your calculators out for the pricing model and payment options round. So Gumroad keeps it simple with a 10% flat fee per sale, excluding credit card processing and PayPal fees. Meanwhile, Payhip offers different plans, starting with a free plan at 5% transaction fee, with the plus plan, which is $29 with 2% transaction fee. And lastly, we have the pro plan, which is $99 with no transaction fees. Payhip also has automatic UK and EU VAT handling as well. So let's find out which one makes the best financial sense for us. So in this case, Payhip wins because the free plan is basically all you need. All right? Okay, so brave yourselves for the software integration round, guys. Both Gumroad and Payhip show off their superpowers by seamlessly integrating with popular tools like WordPress, Shopify, email marketing services, social media platforms, and analytic tools. So these features are critical for our marketing success. No weak spots here, guys. So both platforms score big in this round. So let's see what we have in store for customization and branding. Payhip pulls out all the stops with its fully customizable store builder, allowing us to create a store that perfectly reflects our brand identity. Gumroad isn't far behind, offering some customization options, but who will take the crown in this category? Payhip takes this round for its flexibility in design, guys. Hey guys, are you ready for a shortcut to success? Well, we have you covered. InstantRights.com offer private label products, okay, or PLR products, right? So basically, these are ready to use templates you can customize and sell right away in your store. Okay, so if you are interested in this, guys, click the link below. So next we have the community round. Okay, so Gumroad's vibrant and active community wins hearts, connecting creators in artistic endeavors. Okay, so Payhip's supportive environment may be smaller, but it's still a force to reckon with. So both platforms get the recognition they deserve in this round. Okay, so next it's time to see who got the best customer support. Gumroad shines with its comprehensive and responsive customer support, providing various channels for assistance, including email, knowledge base, and a vibrant community forum. Payhip offers customer support too, but it might need some extra love. So how will it hold up against Gumroad's offerings? Definitely Gumroad is a clear winner here with its responsive customer support. So now let's discover the target audience. Right, in one corner we have Gumroad, a attracting artists, musicians, writers, and digital content creators with its visual stunning presentation options. In the other corner, we have Payhip, which shines among marketers and software developers, offering a cost-effective solution for selling digital goods. Which platform will win the hearts of creators like us? You're right. Payhip grabs this round, catering to digital product creators. Yay! So now, guys, hold your breath for the final round, which is recurring payments. So, Gumroad allows recurring payments with multiple options, while Payhip is limited to PayPal for memberships and subscriptions. So Gumroad definitely take the crown in this round. Okay? Whoa! What an exhilarating showdown between Gumroad and Payhip, guys. So each platform has its strengths and catering to different needs. Let us know your winner in the comments below. Don't forget to check our free guide to kickstart your digital business. So the link is below. And now we have the winner. And the winner is... It's a tie. It's a tie, guys. It is a tie. So as a digital product creator, the ultimate winner depends on your specific requirements. So evaluate what matters most to you and choose your champion wisely. And if you're looking for some inspiring digital product ideas, check out our next video.